stressed at work or home, struggling to relax after a long day. Your space feels dull, lacking natural, calming energy and ambiance. Traditional decor doesn't help you unwind or create a peaceful mood. Introducing the Yokwat Water Fountain, your new relaxation solution. Its three-tier lotus leaf design brings nature's tranquility right to your desk. Soothing water sounds and LED lighting instantly melt away stress. Setup is effortless. Just add water, plug in, and enjoy. Adjustable, quiet pump lets you control the perfect water flow. Compact size fits any tabletop, office, or meditation space easily. Includes river rocks for customizable artistic styling and added serenity. Create a calming oasis, boost your mood, and enhance your decor. Bring home the Yokwat Fountain. Relax, recharge, and feel renewed every day.